I've known Paul through social media for the last 3 or 4 months, and I know that he's a genuine guy that knows his craft, and those are the only sort of people that I resonate with. So even though it's about 125 miles from my house, I had to come.
Thought it was a good opportunity to network.
So today is about an introduction to our partners that are here as well, and an introduction to myself and our team. We can see they're all spread about the room. With this model, you'll be able to deliver any sort of refurbishment or conversion work on a property, right from the start, right through to the end. It was born from watching a building site within a national developer's company, how it's ran and how shit it actually was. So we wanted to be running successfully. That's what we wanted to do. That sounds like a nothingness, but let me tell you, that is the most important document that you will ever produce in this space, ever.
Oh, the pole style teaching is brilliant. I love it. It's so straightforward, always easy to, but easy explained. Every single question. Absolutely love it. I love it.
Yeah, I think Paul comes across real, relatable, approachable, and straight to the point.
Very down to earth. I like that. No flim flam. So yeah, it's been very good.
But he's very clear. He's very concise. And as I said, one of the things I don't resonate with is people teaching because they've been taught to teach. So it's clear that Paul's never been to a train the trainer course. He's actually lived and breathed this stuff, and that's very apparent from meeting him. The golden nugget for me has been that we shouldn't be talking about square footage prices, and it's the cost of the project, and we need to know that as precisely as possible. And the other thing was that if it goes over budget and you still make a profit from it, that's not a successful project.
And it's just reiterating the nonsense that square metre values of build costs and things.
You need to plan your work. From the very first step to the last step, you need to plan your work.